Just woke up today. I woke up very late because we walked a lot yesterday, and I bought few things, so I will do the unboxing. The first thing is this. How many years I have spent postponing to buy this, and I finally got this. I was actually going to buy GoPro, but the thing is, I know both GoPro and this, they don't have excellent video quality when it comes to low lighting. So I thought, if anyway I'm going to compromise, why not do with this, which gives a 360-degree lens. I don't know how good the audio is. We have no idea. I have seen the results. I know all the videos after color grading and all looks really good, and I can do it too. So I thought, why not? This is the battery. This is the camera. You can remove it. You can place it any way you want. Flow state stabilization, horizon lock, invisible selfie stick, waterproof, instant zoom, slow-mo, HDR, auto edit, webcam mode. And the reason why I didn't buy XR was because it's difficult to mount on helmet. I think so. This is charging cable. Oh, pretty long. I keep it here. User manual. Then is, okay, this is the mounts. I'll probably use it with my tripod. Keep it here. This is waterproofing guide, and this is warranty card. Okay, for India I need to check online. This is the cover for the 360 lens. Safe. And this is the mount. I don't know what is this. And the last thing is some stickers. Okay, what is this? It's a cloth to clean the lens. Quickly assemble it. And the best thing is, like, I can put it in both ways. This way, like screen and lens both on the same side, or screen opposite, lens opposite. Then I have to connect the battery here. I hope so it's correct. Yeah, battery connected. Turn it on. And to mount in this, I just have to slide it in. That's it. It's done. The price for this, I'll bring my bill to read it. So I have my bill with me, and for this I paid 1550 AED, and if I convert 1550 into 23, it's around 35,000. And from that, just now you saw unboxing of this. Now the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo. So I get a bag. Let's remove one by one everything. Start with that. Okay, this is ultra light 259 grams. Now, how do I open this? I think so. This stick goes Okay, be careful where what you are pulling, because it's kind of, it feels delicate. I know it's strong, people have told it's strong. Yeah, so this is the drone. The next thing is, this is some screwdriver. Extra propellers are there. Really? Okay, I'm supposed to receive extra propellers also, but it's not there. It's in this. Yeah, something is in this. Yeah, here are the extra propellers and lot more stuff. So I won't remove this from packet until I need it. Just keep it here. I actually opened it yesterday and I didn't see it. Some silicone gel. Yeah, this is USB C-type charging cable. C-type to C-type charging cable. Okay. Then this is USB to C-type charging cable. I have lot of cables USB to C-type. Okay. So one is to charge the remote. One is to charge the drone. Next is the battery. In the beginning, I thought like I'll get 3 batteries, but it makes sense because it's written on the box clearly like 3 batteries, but 1 battery is in the drone. So you have to remove it. Then comes the controller. Now because of this controller, I had paid a little extra. You can get a normal controller also if you want to save some money. And they have the joysticks behind. It's like here. You have to screw it. I will most probably have to learn. And how much I paid for this here? This is the lowest I could find. I went in 3-4 stores. I searched for 2 days. I didn't do the shopping like first day itself. And the price is 2750 into 23, 63,000. Even on that, I will be getting something around 150 dirhams VAT return at the airport. So it goes. So technically, I made this purchase for around 59,000. So I don't know if I can get at this price in India. Some people even bought in the beginning for 1,12,000 with all this combo. Here onwards, you will get to see a lot of footage from this and from the action camera. In next episode, we will see how I lost my suitcase while returning from Dubai to India. If you like the video, do subscribe, share with your friends, and if you have any questions, do ask me. Thank you for watching and travel safe.